Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Friday, October 24th, and this is my analysis for gold, and we're on the daily time frame. So on gold, I mean, I still think there's a good chance this is a wave A. Maybe it is going to push down a little more. Maybe it wants to grab the 38% before it actually goes up, but I still think that at some point it's going to make a very overlapping pattern for a wave B, and then probably down again for a wave C. I think we're likely in a wave 4 right now, which a wave 4 should last about the same time as this wave 2, and then we should potentially go up again for a wave 5. So overall, I definitely don't think that the uptrend is over, but I think we're going to be in a corrective pattern for about 10 trading days from the top over here. So anyways, taking it down to the 1 hour time frame. Like I said, I mean, there is a chance that it does push down again, but I was thinking we were already in a wave B. I was thinking that we were going to push up to one of these higher fib levels. So we do have to look at this move down as possibly like a wave B, and possibly it's going to push up again for a wave C, maybe up to like the 61% or the 50% Fibonacci retracement, which would likely be an ABC of B. So keeping all that in mind, take it down to the 30-minute just for a minute, because that way I can show you my other Fibonacci retracement, which I think is very important. Because if this is an A and this is a B, then the wave B should be a pullback to the wave A, meaning that it should go to a Fibonacci retracement level, break structure to the upside, and then hopefully continue the uptrend. So definitely keep an eye on your fib levels on this move up to see if you get a nice break to the upside. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.